Snow, Sammy!
Huh? Snowy?
Look, Sammy! Everything's white! I think it's time to go outside! Let's go!
Oh, wait for me. I get my scarf and gloves.
Up we go. I've never seen so much snow.
It was frosty last night, but I didn't expect a blizzard.
Wow! How did all this happen in one night?
One snowflake falls, then another and another, until lots of little snowflakes pile up to make giant snowdrifts like this.
That's the same way you make a snowman.
I guess it is.
We start with a tiny baby snowball, and then it grows and grows until it's as big as our house.
It might be too heavy to roll one that size, Maya.
See, Dada? It's Sammy's size already.
Come on, Dada, go. Let's see how big we can make it.
Well, we definitely won't run out of snow.
That's a great start, everyone.
Heave!
Heave-ho, heave-ho.
Oh, my goodness. They've made it all the way to the park. And there's Tommy Stop with Ruby Make and Mama Make.
Wow! Nice big snowball, Maya.
We're making a giant snowman, Tommy, but it's getting hard to push.
We can help you.
Yes, if we all push together, we can help make him giant. Great, let's build him up on top of the hill.
Ah, yes, the hill.
I think he'll be fine here, Maya. He's the perfect size now.
Oh no, Dada, he's not big enough yet. He will see all of every day from up there too.
But...
Let's give it a few more rolls, Dada. We can make it to the top.
All right, so... Come on, everyone. Heave!
Ah, magnificent. They don't know their own strength. Finally, they reach the top and...
Woo! I got you.
Oh, that was close, Dada Go.
Great work, everyone.
Hoo-hoo! He's almost as big as me.
He will be even bigger when we put his head on. Perfect.
There we go. Ah, lovely.
Oh, it's Miss Coach, out for her morning exercise.
Well, hi, everyone. That's a great snowman you built.
Hi, Miss Coach. It was quite a workout getting in here.
Oh, my.
Oh, dear.